All right, let's turn it around. Let's give a little tour of the boats here.
Well, I'll get you a little bit of a close-up on the big.
Yeah, get a close-up. Nice boat right there.
Look at that baby, man.
Mm-hmm.
Woo! Wait. That thing is nice. Look at that anchor.
Sailboat?
That thing's nice, man.
Little tour of the boats here.
All these big fancy people, all these real nice boats with the fancy people. We're on this little redneck boat. Yeah!
Then we're on the super yacht here.
Yeah, buddy. Look at our engine. Look how powerful this thing is.
Yep.
3 horsepower, yo!
This is the super yacht. We're cruising around. The world cruiser. Circumnavigate the world in this bad boy.
Let's go back into this creek. I've been back here. It's really fun.
Let's go check it out.
How do you like the yachts? Aren't they cool?
Yeah.
Look at that one. Holy crap. Look at that thing. But that was a couple million. Does that have an under-deck dolly? Hello.
Good morning.
I can't go any deeper and say get some shower.
Okay. Whip it around.
I can go through these docks if you want. That'll be
No, don't go through there. Just turn it around.
Kick out.
That was the tour. That was the tour of the dock boats. Or the neighborhood boats. Right,
I can't
Matt?
go real fast because I don't want to wake everybody up. Yeah.
Yep.
Look at me, the driver. Hi, John.
Hey, Johnny boy. We're going to go scuba diving today.
Wake up.
We'll get some footage of that too. A deep sea dive.